Elia Twigg is a successful civil engineer who's worked both in the public sector and the private sector. But above all of her project experiences, there has been one experience that has provided the most growth for her in her engineering career. And today, Elia is going to share that with you in our Engineering Management Lessons video. So Elia, what is that one experience that's kind of trumped the rest of them?
I would definitely say joining professional organizations. There's so much value in that. I'm really involved with some professional organizations, APWA being probably the most involvement, American Public Works Association. But through these organizations, you get the networking experience, the experience of talking to people and learning all about different people. You've got extra resources now that you can tap into your new network, that you're meeting these people. You've got all these extra resources that if you're in a jam, there's always somebody else that has probably had the same issues that you can reach out to from your network. The leadership skills, I mean, there's so many opportunities to volunteer for the leadership, boards or whatever that's part of the organization, or even just chairing a committee. Those things, you learn so much experience. You get so much experience from doing those types of volunteer work. And then management skills, you can learn so much management from managing. If you don't manage people and you start a committee, I mean, you can manage a couple people in the committee, you're getting those skills. Writing skills and presentation skills. I mean, there's ample opportunity to write for maybe there's a magazine in the organization, like we have that for APWA, or I've co-authored a handbook that, I mean, it's being sold in the bookstore, but these are opportunities that, to help with your writing. Like you think you're in engineering, you don't write, but if you're writing proposals, if you're writing emails, you're writing letters, whatever the case is. So getting those skills from writing and writing just articles, and then the presentation skills. I mean, you could present on a project, you could present on some skills, other skills, like I usually present on soft skills trainings at these organizations. And it's a way to get that skill of speaking in front of people. So really, there's so much benefit in doing a professional organization. And then those are skills that you learn forever. You can bring it back to your workplace and they'll benefit from it as well. So I think that is probably one of the best things that I've done and been a part of.
I was really happy to hear you say all those things, because a lot of times when someone talks about getting involved in a professional association, they just focus and emphasize the networking aspect of it, which is a great aspect of it. Like you said, you're building resources, you're building friends and colleagues in the industry, which is awesome. But there are all those other things that you mentioned too that you can do: the writing, the speaking, the building up of your skills, building up of your confidence. In fact, I know from us talking earlier, you're heading to a conference where you're going to give 4 presentations. The going and giving 4 presentations can do a lot for you in terms of your presentation skills, your confidence. And I think what's really valuable in one's career is always pushing yourself into things that you may be uncomfortable with. So if you're watching this video and you're thinking, I'm not really good at speaking, or I'm not comfortable with it, well, joining an association can help you to become comfortable with it, because I think every engineer should learn how to speak effectively in public. And for no other reason that it just helps you generally in your communication skills as well.
Absolutely. And I think that all of those things, I mean, those are real things learned through these organizations. But again, you can't just let things happen. You've got to make things happen. So if that's something that you're interested in, improving your networking skills or improving your management skills or leadership skills, these are perfect opportunities for you to just get out of that comfort zone and just do something and make it happen. I mean, there's always committees to be a part of. Even if you're just part of the committee and not the actual leader of it, that might help gain confidence. And then maybe you become the chair afterwards. So it's just those skills, you can learn it in the workplace, but you can really learn it in these professional organizations. And then you're meeting other friends and just having that network of people to meet with. So it's very good opportunities.